I'm about to show you the easiest way to install CapCut on your laptop. And if you love video editing hacks like this, hit that subscribe button. Let's start by downloading CapCut from their official website. Open your browser, but first make sure you are connected to the internet. Type in this keyword, CapCut for PC download. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Click on the first result here. You can see the URL. This is CapCut official website. Click on the download text. Please make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. CapCut setup file is downloading. Click on the download icon to see downloaded file. This is the file. Please make sure you downloaded the CapCut installation file from CapCut official website. Click on the download icon, then next to the folder icon to locate the downloaded file. I'm cutting this file to desktop, so you see every steps clearly. Paste. Now let's begin installation process. Right-click and run as administrator. Click on Install. Next, click the subscribe button below. CapCut application is installing. Wait for installation to complete. While waiting for installation, let's play some riddles. 1. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I'm stored in your pocket but live in the cloud. What am I? Answer. A smartphone assistant, like Siri, Google Assistant. Did you get that? 2. I have keys but no locks. I have space but no room. You can enter, but can't go outside. What am I? Answer. A keyboard. 3. I don't have a brain, but I help you think. I don't have a heart, but I help you connect. What am I? Answer. A computer. 4. I sit on your lap, but I'm not a pet. I help you work, browse, and play. What am I? Answer. A laptop. 5. To blink when you open your laptop. I see everything, but I don't judge. Answer. Webcam. How many riddles did you get correctly? Leave a comment below comment section. The winner will be given a hype on our next video. CapCut installation complete. Click on Start Now to launch application. Next, click the subscribe button below this video. This will encourage us to make good videos like this one. You can skip the testing environment process by closing its window. Do you need a new laptop? Use our affiliate link below to purchase one at a very discount fee. Shipping is free. Here is CapCut interface. Congratulations if you followed this video without skipping a step. To start editing, click the New Project section. Loading interface. Want to edit videos like a pro? Use the link below description to join our WhatsApp group for free tips. Let me walk you through the interface. Don't forget to subscribe. If this video was helpful, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.